Comrades, what is freedom without justice? Why do you say we are free when those who killed our liberation icons are not held accountable? Today, those who killed Krisani, they say they can repeat it again tomorrow. What is freedom about that? Today, as we speak, Krisani has never received his justice. Where is the justice of Steve Biko, who was killed in isolation? He died alone, naked and chained in a cell in 1977. Yet there's never been justice for the killing of Steve Biko, yet you claim freedom. Where is the freedom for the children who were killed in 1976? Hector Peterson, 12-year-old child, was killed in Soweto. Many children were killed in Soweto. Today we don't have the names of those who killed them. Today we don't have the names of those who sanctioned for the killing of the children in 1976. Fighters, the Craddock 4, Matthew Gonyiwe, Fort Kalata, Sparrow Mkonto, and Sicelo Mtlauli. Till today, they have not received their freedom. 4 brave activists from the Eastern Cape were abducted, tortured, and murdered by apartheid security forces in 1985. They were burned and mutilated bodies were dumped on a rural road. Till today, there's not been justice for the Craddock 4.